Likes, boxes with PEZ. Dislikes, tape. Unacceptable. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here. Likes and dislikes. On the PEZbook channel, do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. Getting better at fighting the tape. Alright. Yeah! Set that there anywhere. Alright. So I guess it's not tape. But shouldn't the fragile been on the... No clue what I bought. Oh, we know what that's going to be. Let's see. Oh, and a pig. And Garfield. Garfield. No, Garfield's not a double down. Is he a thin foot? It's on that 3.9 Australia. That's it. Yeah. Oh, another bunny for the bunny lady. Hope that's not the one that falls over and dominoes him. And the Puss in Boots. So oh, what? Hello, Kitty White. How are you? Oh, oh, Miss Piggy. All right, now here we do have two different variations. Miss Piggy with her eyelashes, a lot harder to find than the regular Miss Piggy without the eyelashes. Different printing jobs. $4.9 and $3.9. $3.9 is going to have the eyelashes. I wonder, is it a double down? Oh, it's not a double down. I will say these Muppets double downs are extremely hard to find, so if you do find one. Hey, there he is! Mr. Ugly has entered the building. Very light eye paint. Very small pupils. He must have had a rough night. Oh no! His foot is broken. Ah! Alright, let's... Oh, wait a minute! You can see him. Alright, let's see what else we have in this box. Oh yeah, we do have a double down. See the P there? P is at the top on both sides, so that means it is double down. This is the China version. Does that have a cool candy button color? Kinda. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, poor Goofy. That's... Lost your hat, man. Oh, and look inside here. You can see this starting to yellow there at the top. I think that's a form of sun fading. More so than being around a smoker's house. Because they don't stink. Although there is some PEZ that will stink. Oh, we have Dr. Skull! Oh, his foot is broken too. And this stem is so dark, it's almost black, but it is still purple. Here we go. There you can see it's extremely dark. That's a shame that the foot's broke on it. IMC3. And listen to this. Hear the rattle? So the head on the skull is actually 4 pieces. The 4 pieces are going to be the front faceplate. You can see right here where the 2 pieces come together at this line, so then you have the back of the skull. Then you have the collar. Well, this piece that's making the noise, that little rattle, that is actually a black piece that's inside the face. That's one of the pieces. So if you ever see one of these faces without that little black plate inside, yeah, it's supposed to have that. So if it's missing it, it's not special. Trust me, it's not special. Moving right along. Oh, what do we have? Another Garfield dispenser. Another thin foot. This thin foot isn't broken, although they are easy to break, so you have to be careful on them. See that 3.9 Austria right there. And we have Kermit the Frog. All right. Oh, I thought I had something else. I didn't. Ah, they duped me. They duped me. But here's my lot of PEZ. That was fun. Hopefully you learned something. But if you didn't, remember this. You can always fill these with PEZ candy and play with them. And come up with some great ideas, let me tell you. So until next time.